Think evicting a tenant in Massachusetts is as simple as serving a notice? Think again. This process isn't just complicated, it's a legal maze where one wrong turn can cost you months. Stick around and I'll show you how to navigate it like a pro. Welcome back to the Botelho Law Group channel, where we make complex legal topics approachable, practical, and dare I say it, a little less intimidating. I'm attorney Joseph Botelho of the Botelho Law Group. Today we're tackling the wild world of evictions in Massachusetts, one of the most tenant-friendly states in the country. Whether you're a landlord trying to reclaim your property or a tenant standing up for your rights, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, do us a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more straightforward legal advice. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Massachusetts is one of the toughest states for landlords. Why? Because the laws here lean heavily toward tenant protection. That's great if you're a tenant, but it's a minefield for landlords. A single procedural mistake, like filing the wrong paperwork or missing a deadline, can force you to start over from scratch. And trust me, in a process that already takes months, that's a headache no one needs. So, what does the eviction process, or summary process as it's officially called, look like? Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Notice to quit. This is where it all starts. Serve the tenant with proper notice. But beware, the type of notice, 14 days, 30 days, depends on the situation. 2. Filing the complaint. After the notice period, you file a complaint in housing court or district court. Timing and details here are critical. 3. Service of process. The tenant must be officially notified of the court case. 4. The court hearing. Both parties present their case and the court decides. 5. Execution for possession. If you win, the court grants this document, but even then, evicting a tenant isn't immediate. You'll need a sheriff to enforce it. Landlords, here's a reality check. You didn't invest in property to become a legal expert, right? Here are 3 pro tips to make the eviction process less painful. 1. Documentation is king. Keep records of everything. Leases, notices, communications. You'll thank yourself later. 2. Know your tenant screening laws. Avoid future headaches by screening tenants thoroughly, but legally. Massachusetts has strict anti-discrimination laws, so tread carefully. 3. Call in the pros. Early. At the Botelho Law Group, we don't just help you with evictions. We also draft leases, advise on tenant issues, and ensure your property management is legally sound. Tenants, we see you too. Massachusetts laws protect you against unfair eviction practices. For example, did you know your landlord can't evict you without a court order, or that if they fail to address serious issues like pest infestations or broken appliances, you may have grounds for legal action? And if you believe you're being discriminated against based on race, disability, or another protected category, you have powerful legal remedies. So whether you're a landlord overwhelmed by paperwork or a tenant worried about your rights, the Botelho Law Group is here to help. We offer free consultations, so give us a call today at 888-269-0688. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this info. Your support helps us keep making content that matters. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.